Haicheng, intern. Let's welcome.
Thank you. Hello, everybody. My name is Haicheng. I'm from Intel virtualization testing team. Jiajun Xu is from the same team with me. Today, I'm very glad to stand here to speak out for Zen testing. Okay, my topic is practical Zen testing at Intel. So, in the talk, I will show you the overview of our testing work, our test infrastructures, and also I will show you some practical test approaches. And last, we have some proposals for them to improve the quality. Okay. As the first, I'd like to ask you a question. So from the testing point of view, what's the most challenging thing for today's Zen quality control? My answer is there are hundreds of patches taken into upstream in every month today. So any of these patches can introduce new regression to our Zen unstable tree at any time. So, did anybody care about this issue? Nope. Yeah, it's testing guy's job, right? Okay. So, towards this issue, what can test help them? My answer is, first, our test should be able to expose each regression timely in every day. Second one is, we should have extensive testing for each Zen milestone release. Let's look at what we are doing. Our team joined Zen testing since the year of 2005. Our test scope can cover most of Zen major features. That is because from the beginning, we keep extending our test cases to cover each new added major Zen feature. So, we worked actively in Zen release testing. We send out test report for each Zen milestone release. Besides that, we also work closely with Zen unstable tree development and report and track all the bugs through Zen Bugzilla. Now you can see, we have reported about 300 major bugs to Zen Bugzilla. It's almost 20% of Zen Bugzilla. 20%. Pretty nice work, right? As you know, to achieve an efficient testing for any software project, you must have a set of powerful automated test cases to support your testing, right? Now you can see, we have test automation for them in everywhere. In daily testing, release testing, even for single patch testing. That is because we have a solid testing infrastructure to support our test automation. You can see, we have an extendable test framework. We have auto-built test system, the test result center to publish our test result, as well as we have a very powerful patch test system. Let's show you our test infrastructure, test framework. We named this framework as XVS for short term. It means Extendable Validation System. The aim of the design is to easily add new test cases to our framework. You can see all of our automated test cases are developed with this framework, include VTD as well as other features. So, XVS has three major parts. First is management module. It can control test process, generate test report, as well as drive the test harness. Second part is our test harness. It is used to pass the test scenario files, as well as launch each test suite. And the third part is the test suite pool. It contains all of our automated test cases. Yeah? It's very simple, right? But actually it's powerful. We applied XVS in our daily testing. Our auto-build system will automatically build out a binary package when any new change set is coming. Then our nightly test system will automatically launch a basic functionality testing with XVS after test is done. Then all the report will be sent to our test results center. The test results center is to publish and keep all of the historic test data. From the page, you can easily say, for a specific change set, how many test cases got passed, how many are failed, right? It's very clear. But the most important thing is now we have the ability to expose the regression timely in every day. Another system is our patch test system. In general, patch test system is a little bit complex than XVS. Yeah, it's a wide-based application system. The aim of the design is to easily let the developer can easily select what hardware platform he wants to run the test on his patch, as well as the developer can select what test cases he wants to run against his patch. Yeah. After the test is done, the test result will be directly sent out to the developer through his email address, as well as the test report will be kept in our runtime database. So, for the developer, he can also get the test reports through the web UI. The web UI is very clear. For a developer, he can easily submit his patch here, as well as select the test box here, select the test cases here. So just input your email address here. Then you will get a test report automatically after the test is done. Yeah. You can see for Intel Zen developer, before he sends out the patch to the community, he must get his patch past our patch test system. So as you know, most of the patches from Intel developer have good quality, right? Now you can see our test has a contribution to this good quality. Yeah. Okay. Now I'd like to show you some good practical test approaches in our Zen testing. First is about the power management testing. The challenge of power testing is how to achieve integrated testing to cover various individual power features. Our test approach is, First, we must have a